Happy morning. This is Dr. R. Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr. SNS Radhalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today in this lecture series we are going to discuss the subject programming in C. In that we are going to discuss about the topic if-else concept. Before we move on to the if-else concepts, first let us discuss about the decision making statement first. Decision making statement is none other than in order to take some decision we have two or more choices, right? Which one is correct? For that reason we are implementing the conditional statement, decision making statement, or else we used to call it as a conditional statement. In that we have many concepts like simple if else, if ladder, nested if, so as well as looping structure. So likewise we have many statements. In this lecture series we are going to discuss about the topic if-else concepts. By specifying the keyword if to specify the block of code to be executed if suppose the particular condition is true. Here we are going to apply the relational operator, the conditional operators and all there, right? That and all we are going to specify in order to find the right decision. So in that if keyword we are going to specify the condition. If suppose the particular condition is true, we are going to process that block of code to be executed, or else that else condition we are going to specify some kind of code, right? So that we are going to print. Let us discuss how to process that particular syntax for if else. If within parentheses we are going to specify the condition based on if suppose that particular condition is true, we are going to print the block of code. Block of code usually that within curly bracket we are going to specify that executing code will be we are going to process with the help of printf function. Here let us discuss the example for if-else concept. Here if-else concept, here we are going to discuss, we have two numbers. One we are specifying it as x, and another one is we are specifying the variable as y. So x and y values we directly process, or else we can give it in during runtime. If you want to get data from the user, that also we can process with the help of scanf method, or else we directly get the values, directly we are going to specify the values in this code itself in this example. So first as discussed in previous video, first we have to specify the C programming preprocessor include stdio.h. It's none other than standard input output.h. And then within int main of function we are going to declare a variable int x is equal to, and then we are specifying the value to x value is 20 and then y value is 18. So here we are going to specify the if else concept. If the condition we are going to specify it in parenthesis x greater than y, that we are going to check over. If suppose x value is greater than y value, we are going to get the output within that block of code if we specify it as x is greater than y. Or else condition we specified the print of x is lesser than y. Hope you clearly understand. X value we specified greater than y, right? So if condition is going to satisfy here, so that we are going to execute the code as x is greater than y. So in this way we have to process the decision making statement. If suppose if ladder more than two or three conditions are there, I can suggest if ladder, or that we can process to get the quick solution. It's very important when compared to other decision making statement is one of the vital role in C programming language. Hope you understand this code well. If a simple if means if suppose only one condition is there, so for that we can suggest simple if, or else nested if. For that we can, if you want to check over, you all know, right, real time that if you want to check over username as well as password, so for that and all we can specify nested if statement. And then the looping structure, n number of data is there that we have to process. So in that we have to find some if you want to take some decision means, for that we can use a looping structure. In that also we have different types of looping like while, do while, for loop. So whatever in order to process repetitively, so for that we can specify the looping structure. Hope you understand the concept of if else. It's very important topic. If you have any clarification, we can discuss further. I hope you understand clearly about the if else concept. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you. Have a nice day.